Traders often ask me about books on trading, and all traders read the same books. So I'm not going to spend my time on talking about books on trading, but I'm going to recommend books which are non-trading related and which can help you a lot in your trading. The one of the books which I'm going to recommend is Will It Make the Boat Go Faster? Will It Make the Boat Go Faster? This is a book which is a book written by one of the person who was part of the British rowing team, and they won the Olympic gold medal in 2000 in the Sydney Olympics. And this book has a central message which I like, which is basically in order to become the Olympic champion, where the Britain team had not had any success in becoming Olympic champion for many years, and they wanted to become an Olympic champion. And then they had this one single motto which guided their training up to the Olympics, and that single thing was do the things which will make the boat go faster. So every single time, whatever they are doing, they were asking the question, if I do this, will it make the boat go faster? 100 squats in a day, will it make the boat go faster? Yes. So go and do 100 squats. Drinking in a pub at 7 o'clock in the evening, will it go make the boat go faster? No. So don't drink. Right. So every single decision, they were with this one single question, will it make the boat go faster? Now, that kind of approach, if you bring to trading, will it improve my profitability? Will it improve my profitability? If I enter early, will it improve my profitability? If I sell into strength, will it improve my profitability? If I buy at 3:30, is it going to improve my profitability? If I do my anticipation at 3 o'clock, is it going to improve my profitability? If I enter and earnings breakout on a OPG, is it going to improve my profitability? If you can take that approach from this book, which is a very good book, then you will find that look, you can look at every single element of your trading and start thinking like they were thinking, will it make the boat go faster? And only do things and eliminate things which will not make the boat go faster. As a trader, we do a lot of things which are not necessary. They are not necessary to making profit. They are nice to do kind of things. Or we don't do things which are essential to be highly profitable. So that's why I recommend this book, Will It Make the Boat Go Faster? Also, there is a small speech and a YouTube video by the same author on YouTube about Will It Make the Boat Go Faster? And I highly recommend you go and see that video. If you don't want to read the book because the book is a large book, go and see that video. But Will It Make the Boat Go Faster is one of my recommendation for traders if you want to improve your process and profits.